Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw XRP from Coinbase wallet to Revolut in 2025. If you're holding XRP and want to move it to your Revolut account for easier access or spending, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates in 2025 regulations. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your accounts are set up and verified. Log into your Coinbase wallet app or website. It's super important to use a secure device and enable two-factor authentication to protect your assets. Once you're in, navigate to your XRP holdings. Look for the Withdraw or Send button. It's usually right there on the dashboard. Next, select XRP as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You'll need to enter the destination details. For Revolut, input your Revolut account's crypto wallet address. Pro tip: double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Also, keep an eye on the network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on blockchain congestion, so choose the right network like the XRP ledger for faster, cheaper transfers. Now, enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember, Revolut might have minimum withdrawal limits, so verify that first. Review the transaction summary carefully. It should show the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. Hit Confirm and authenticate with your security measures. Sit tight while the transaction processes. It could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, head over to your Revolut app and refresh your balance. You should see your XRP reflected there. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just check the transaction status on Coinbase or the Blockchain Explorer. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your XRP to Revolut. Always prioritize security and stay updated with crypto news. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.